Hey folks, it's Phoenix from GREENZONE. Here I'm going to explain how we can trade setups. Okay, we just enter for a single trade in this weekend. That's in BTC which is Bitcoin for the short side. We just enter from here and we got the massive targets after holding 18 to 20 hours straight. So in this video, we're going to understand what's the reason for this trade, how we plan this trade, how we enter each and everything in this video. So stick till the end. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to come from the higher time frame and we're gonna come to the smaller time frame. That's how we do the analysis in our prime. Okay, and our prime members is always get the entries before it's getting activation, and they will get the study materials tools. They're gonna learn from absolute basic to advanced level, and they're gonna trade by themselves after learning our masterclass or the mentorship. Anyway, I'm gonna explain that later. Right now we can understand what's the reason for this Bitcoin trade. Okay, it's very easy guys, and it's very fun to understand each and everything. Right now I'm removing each and everything, then we can draw from the higher time frame. I mean, coming from the daily time frame, it's not use comes to the daily time frame, because we know that in daily time frame it's crashing, right? The crypto markets is crashing in daily time frame, and we know that when we draw the structure from here, see this, when we draw the structure from here to the downside, it's completely bearish, right? If it's breaking this last lower high, then we can come with the long entries in Bitcoin. Okay, till that we only look for the short side entries, because the higher time frame it's completely bearish. Right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like a 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, there's something happen in 4-hour time frames. What just happened in 4-hour time frame? We can see it's a bullish trend that was continued from here, right? But in daily time frame, it's in bearish trend, right? And after this, we can see a downtrend that is created from here. So you're going to think that it's a last lower high, sorry, it's a last higher low, but it's not the last higher low. We just come with a downtrend in smaller time frame, which is MSS, which is created from here. See this, it's a MSS, market structure shift, that's created from here in 4-hour time frames. You can't able to see in like a 4-hour time frame, but we just went for even a smaller time frame, which is like 1-hour time frame. I can easily show you this. But if you are an expert, if you have some experience in the markets and charts, definitely you can find out this. Right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like 1-hour time frame. Right now you want to see this one. So this is what I mark, right? In this structure you can easily find this, right? See this, it's a high highs, high low, higher high, higher low. Yeah, just continue with me. High highs and higher lows, high high, higher low, and the high high, which is created from here. Right now I'm just removing this one. Yeah, see this guys, I got the cough, that's why my voice, and I'm struggling to what I can say, speak. Anyway, it's a 1-hour time frame, and after that it's a 4-hour time frame, last higher high, which is created from here. But when we shift even a smaller time frame, which is like 1-hour time frame, we can see a market structure shift that's happened from here. What is a market structure? When it's continuously moving upside direction, like a high highs and high lows, suddenly break this last higher low, which is created from here. Right now it continues to the downside momentum in 1-hour time frame. So we got the confirmation that daily time frame it's in bearish, 4-hour time frame that's also turned to bearish, because when we shift even a smaller time frame, which is like 1-hour time frame, we can see that's MSS that's created from there. Okay, that's how it's turned to bearish in smaller time frame also. Right now we only look for the bearish entries, which is like a downside entries or the sell side. If you're a beginner, there's only 2 options in the markets. Either you can go with a buy or the sell, right? Right now we're just looking for a sell side or the short side, because in all time frames we can see a direction that's market is going downside, right? Right now we can just go with the current market situations. That's where we plan the trade. We just plan the trade from here. So what's the reason for this trade? In 1-hour time frame, if you are a price action trader, you can easily see this. It's a support zone, right? It's a demand zone, which is pending a demand zone, which is you all see this one. The 2 times it's took the liquidity from here, and it's took the momentum from this place. Again it's took the reversal, again it's took the reversal, which is like a price action. If you are price action trader, I'm going to explain in easy way guys. Okay, I'm not confuse you. That's something more happen here. You can learn each and everything in our mentorship. Okay, anyway, and if you are price action trader, it's a support zone breakdowns from here. Again it comes to the retest. It's very easy if you are a price action trader, but at the same time I need to explain something more happen here. Okay, right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like a 50 minutes time frame. Say this. If you are price action trader, you can definitely stuck here. Okay, what pattern is this? What pattern? It's called the double bottom pattern. Okay, it's called the double bottom pattern. I'll just show you here. Yeah, double bottom chart pattern that looks like this. See this, I'm not showing this, it's just a basic thing in the markets. Okay, but we are not working in this. So this, it's a double bottom pattern that's appear like this. At the same time, so we can see our double bottom patterns that's appear from here like this, and most of the people are going to enter from here to the long side. See, that's the biggest mistake here. Because why we can't able to go for the long side? Because we can see that's not the market structure shift, right? If we need to go for the long side, minimum it need to break this range, then we can go for the long side in this. Which range? This range, because it's a last lower high which is created in this down structure, and at the same time in higher time frames and the medium time frames it's in bearish. Okay, so we can't able to go for the long side in this. We only look for the short side in this. That's where we can see a supply zone which is still pending at this range, and after this double bottom patterns, most of the people are trying to take the entries from here. That's we call as a liquidity pool. Why it's a liquidity pool? Because most of the people is stuck here. Okay, they are trying to take the long side from here, and it will take their all stop loss from this place. And there's a supply zone. When it comes to the supply zone, we're still waiting for entries, and when it's making a bearish momentum, a bearish candle, that's where we plan the trade to the short side, and we put the small stop loss, and the target is all the way going to the 4-hour time frame demand zone, which is created from here. It's like a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. What is 1:5? It's like we are just risking $100 to get a $500. If we just apply this 1:5 for our next 10 trades, and we win just 5 trades out of 10 trades, definitely will be a big profits. Okay, because we just are risking $100 to get the $500. Okay, each and everything we are going to explain, you can learn from our mentorship. I'll just show you our official website. Okay, just go to your Chrome and just type in. If you want to learn and if you want to trade with us in live market, just go to this website greenzoneonline.in. okay, or just go to your support team and just call with them. They're going to clear each and everything, and there you can ask the prices for the prime and the mentorship. See this, there's a 5 plans in our mentorship. It's starting with a starter plan, and you can just end up with a light plan. Each and every plans has a different features. You can read each and everything what you will get in these all the plans. Okay, everything has a different features. You will get the complete mentorship in this plan, not from silver and starter. You will get the complete mentorship from the gold. Okay, and when you comes to the platinum, you will get the live sessions and one-on-one mentorship in this platinum. And if you go with the elite plan, it's like a lifelong. There's no exit from our community. It's going to be lifetime plan, and you will get the 3 proven swing trade strategy. That's what we mostly trade. Okay, you'll get the each and every strategy that we're using, and you can trade by yourself by just watching trades, doing analysis, each and everything. Okay, it's going to be very easy, guys. Okay, most of the people is making complicated in this charts, but we are going to teach you in just easy way. If you are a beginner trader, if you don't know what is candles, what is drawings, how to draw each and everything, what is support, resistance, order blocks, supply and demands, each and everything, we're gonna teach you each and everything. Okay, in this full mentorship. Don't worry, guys, there's 5 plans, and each plans has a different features, different price tags. After choosing any plans, for example, if you go with a platinum, just go to the subscribe now, and you'll get the payment methods. Okay, USDT, cryptos, UPI and PayPal. You can choose any payment method. After that, you're gonna redirect to our support team. Then you can do the procedures. They'll complete your procedures, each and everything. Otherwise, you can just go with the subscribe, in like a website greenzoneonline.in. Otherwise, you can just contact to our support team. There's a 10 support team members. You can just go with any support team and ask your queries, make a call with them. And if you are in free communities, that definitely you'll get the late updates. If you want to trade each and everything before it's getting activation, if you want to learn from absolute basic to advanced level, and if you want to join our community, and if you want to interact with our premium members, definitely there's an option that's called a prime. You're gonna check it. It will be benefit for you. It will be worth it, and it will be a good decision in your life ever. Hope you guys get it. Let's see you next trade. Till that, take care.